Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, pretty further appearance how Velo by and large has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which certainly is genuinely critical. Velo's EMA10 explicitly shows an especially descending pattern, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a sort of significant manner. 28 September 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Velo. Sort of is Velo in every practical sense, wise venture, which basically is very critical. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that Velo truly has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, especially further appearance how Velo basically has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which generally is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Velo specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations, which basically is very critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, showing how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations in a truly significant manner. The for the most part absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $26,382,683,370, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that Velo for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Velo in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, exhibiting that 28 September 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, basically sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what essentially is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Velo, sort of is Velo a by and large wise speculation, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period. Pretty further appearance how Velo's EMA10 especially shows an essentially descending pattern in a huge manner. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 0.72 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, or so they truly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an exceptionally enormous way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a very descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, which really is genuinely critical. Right now, a really broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to essentially recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which for the most part is very huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers essentially become basically more sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors for the most part become moves sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period. Certainly further appearance how Velo's EMA10 certainly shows an especially descending pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo. Velo execution is indicated by value examination market record. Velo, for the most part is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which really is very critical. However, Velo most certainly has a value decline of 5.82% in the sort of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a very complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. Further appearance how Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they all things considered, thought. Velo value investigation. Velo cost examination for 28 September 2023 inside a day-to-day time span most certainly made sense of underneath, which essentially is very critical. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Velo. Exhibiting how however Velo for the most part has a value decline of 5.82% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a very all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. Further appearance how Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which by and large is genuinely huge. The very relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Velo coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI certainly is at 30, exhibiting how support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of more really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought. The Velo United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, certainly is demonstrating a sort of present moment, generally sell genuinely signal as the MACD line in every practical sense, is moving beneath most certainly signal line which in a real sense implies explicitly bears truly are ruling on the lookout. So however Velo has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars.